How to change graphics in Horror Tale 2. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change graphics. First of all, open the application. Now here on the third option, you can see settings. Simply tap on settings. Now we're in the settings interface. Here you can see different options that are available. Now here in the second option, simply tap on graphics. So you can change the graphics to whichever that you want to. So here there are different modes available, so you must select it according to the compatibility of your mobile. So if you have a strong mobile with high RAMs, you can directly play high, but if you don't have a strong mobile, you can simply keep it to low or medium in order to play the game. So it will be lag free and you can play it without any hesitation too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.